Ground turkey is a great substitution for beef when making enchiladas. I really feel like it has a slightly sweeter flavor and it just goes perfectly with the spices and the enchilada sauce. So to make these, you're going to want to ground up or actually cook up 1 pound of ground turkey. And while it's cooking, you're going to want to add in 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. And I just like to use the kind in the jar because I'm kind of lazy. But just mix that in there really well and continue to cook the ground turkey, and then add in 1 cup of frozen peppers and onions blend. It's really easy to just use the frozen. You don't have to defrost it, just add it in there frozen. And then you want to finish cooking the ground turkey. Then you're going to want to add in the spices, the cumin, chili powder, paprika, and oregano. And then just cook the turkey just for about 2 more minutes. Now you want to add in about a 10-ounce can of drained tomatoes. You can use Rotel for spicy, or you can just use the plain tomatoes, and then just mix this all in really well. And then add in some salt and pepper to taste. And I will also put a link to the recipe in the description as well. Then take about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of enchilada sauce and then pour it onto the bottom of a 13 by 9 inch casserole dish, or you can use a bigger casserole dish. This will make a lot of enchiladas. So fill corn tortillas up with the meat mixture and then sprinkle cheese on top, and then roll them up and put them into your baking dish. So one thing to note on this, you can heat the tortillas up, the corn tortillas up, and it will help them not to crack quite as bad. But what I found actually works better is to actually dip the corn tortillas into the enchilada sauce, sort of coat them on both sides, then roll them up and put them into the dish. Mine still cracked even though I warmed up the tortillas, so I would suggest actually dipping them in the enchilada sauce, then rolling them up. That seems to work better. So you can just top everything off with some more enchilada sauce, and just know that the more you use, the spicier it will be. So just keep that in mind, and then top everything off with cheese. Then you're going to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You just really want to warm it up. Then you can serve these with your favorite toppings like sour cream, olives, green onions, or whatever you like. Also, feel free to customize this recipe to suit your taste. Make it spicier, less spicy, whatever you like. And as always, happy baking, and I'll see you next time.